Part 2. This lesson follows on from Part 1 on sevenths, so make sure to watch that first. Now is the minor seventh. The minor seventh comes from the Dorian scale. This is the modern minor scale. Classical music has two minor scales, the melodic and harmonic. The Dorian is more applicable to pop, rock, blues, and jazz. We are adding to the basic minor triad the flattened seventh. It looks and sounds like this. And like this, starting on the sixth string. Flattened seventh chords are transitional chords. There are two significant minor seventh chords used in this way all the time, which have a place in really common chord progressions. What is a chord progression? Songs are made up of chord progressions. One of the most common chord progressions in pop music, found literally everywhere, is this. This all goes back to the Dorian mode. E, C sharp minor 7, F sharp minor 7, B7. 1, 6, 2, 5. In music, this would be shown in Roman numerals. Using the correct terminology, we have the tonic 1, 2 minor seventh chords on the 6th and 2nd degrees, and a dominant 7th chord to get us back to the tonic. Degree means where in the scale, so in the 6th degree means the 6th. So let's hear this progression. The second example misses out the relative minor, 6th, from the progression and goes direct to the 2 minor 7. 1, 2, 5. That's E, F sharp minor 7, B7. But we'll start on the 2nd. This can also be written as 2, 5, 1 for this reason. This is the classic chord progression in jazz. When I spoke before about harmonic movement, I said the dominant 7th wants to return to the tonic. Our ears call for and are satisfied with that change. The 2 minor 7th chord is often used to lead into the 5 7th chord, giving this progression. So, 2 minor 7 calls for 5 7, and 5 7 calls home to the tonic. This is all subliminal. People don't know they're being led around, but they are. Check this out. You can use this progression after moving to a new key. It will suddenly just feel right no matter where you go. Pick a new key, and the technique is to make the 2nd minor 7 and the 5 7 from the new key. I got the best musician I know to really take this point to the max. I'm just going to call out keys.
Where next?
C sharp.
Where next?
F. B
Where
flat.
next?
T. And let's go with G sharp. Brilliant. So recap, the minor 7 chord in the first chord progression was used within the most standard chord progression in music. The second progression is possibly the most important progression in jazz music and can be used to transpose to any key in a very natural way. If you have any music theory questions, put them in the comments and I'll make a video on it. Thanks, like and subscribe for more.